There are three types of meditation that can make you strong spiritually. Do you know that what you look at internally is what you look like externally? Whether in business, a student, a working class, or whatever position, you will experience unusual ease and supernatural support in your vocation. If you think you lack skills or talent, you will be shocked at how these meditation processes can help you. In this video, you will learn the three types of meditation and how to use them. Try not to skip these divine revelations because you are about to strengthen your spirit. Please like and share this video. In so doing, you are helping this message reach more people and make their lives improve. Thank you very much. Sitting down, folding your legs, and thinking of something does not necessarily mean you are meditating. Just thinking about something does not bring it to actualization. Look at it this way. You want to plant flowers in your garden, but thinking about them does not make them a reality. You must be aware of the process of actualization. The flowers are the result of that process. You must consider the soil, manure, water, and sunlight for the flowers. If you carefully use these ingredients properly, flowers and fruits will be the natural result or consequence. There is so much stress, sickness, chaos, bitterness, and hatred in the world today because we have forsaken the process. What I will share with you today is a result-driven process. The outcome will take care of itself. Without further ado, let's get into the teaching. Meditation is an intense mental focus on something until it manifests in your life. The first type of meditation is spirit-building meditation. In this type of meditation, you use your thoughts and feelings to observe any information associated with an expected outcome. At this stage, your spirit is built by whatever information you focus on in your thoughts. Joshua said in his writings, Joshua 1 verse 8, "This book of the law shall not depart out of your mouth, but you shall meditate on it day and night, that you may observe to do according to all that is written in it. For then you shall make your ways prosperous and shall have good success." Prosperous ways and good success are the outcomes of observation, in Joshua's case, the book of law. Joshua noticed that in the book of the law, there is something worth observing day and night that will bring about prosperous ways and good success. We use spirit-building meditation to soak the information into our hearts. When you focus on a piece of information, day and night, you gradually begin to act according to that information. You start to attract events associated with that information. Assuming you have bad habits you want to break, you must find scriptures on righteousness. Then keep thinking about those scriptures day and night before you sleep, when eating, when quiet, when walking, or when driving to work. Spend time with those scriptures. Suddenly, at a time you probably least expect, strength will come upon you to live above that bad habit. You will gradually realize you no longer want to continue that habit. See what David the psalmist said about this in his psalm, Psalm 119, verse 97. "Oh, how I love your law. I meditate on it all day long." The laws are instructions in various aspects of life. David says he thinks about those instructions he has received all day long. We plan to explore the book of the law or book of instruction. This teaching will give you scriptural snippets for strategic areas of your life that you can use spirit-building meditation to improve drastically. Please subscribe so that you will be notified when this teaching is released. Meditation is keeping something in one's mind for a long time, thinking about it, and staying with it. As you meditate on those scriptures concerning that habit or anything in your life you desire, your spirit is enlarging, building, and expanding. When your spirit grows fat, all the yoke and darkness in your life will be broken. Darkness will give way and fall apart. Those yokes, bad habits, pain, family struggles, business struggles, and various unpleasant addictions that are fitted into your life will no longer be effective, as they will begin to tear off like oversized clothes. You will become more prominent than those things that kept you in bondage. If your business is not doing well, or you have a terrible addiction, get scriptures that address those issues and begin to meditate. That is, keep those scriptural instructions in your mind day and night. Spend quality time thinking about those scriptures. As you do so, your spirit grows fat and becomes too tight for those issues to hold you longer. The second type of meditation is inner voice meditation. This type of meditation involves being conscious of your Creator and expecting to hear a still small voice. Close your eyes and think of your Creator, the one that set forth the beams of his chambers upon the waters. He rides upon the wings of the wind and makes the cloud his chariots. He spread forth the heavens like a span, enclosed the dust of the earth in a measure, and weighed mountains on a scale. Feel the beauty of creation, the gentle green lands, the trees, and how they dance to the gentle music of the wind. Feel the incredible ocean. Hear the sounds of the hummingbirds, the animals, the sea creatures, and the wind. Consciously focus on those things, so much that you can smell the chlorophyll from the trees, taste the ocean's salty waters on your tongue, or hear the echoes of music produced by the wind. Suddenly, you will begin to see things play in your mind. These are thoughts you did not generate. It started playing on its own like a movie. You may see a picture flash before you. At that point, you will hear a voice speaking to you through the sounds or pictures that flash before you. Tears may flow down your eyes as an overwhelming love envelops you. Pay close attention to the voice or sensation, and write down whatever you have heard or feel. Inner voice meditation usually follows the expectation that you want to hear something or that a thought will come into your heart. This meditation will bring understanding and insight. You are not the one trying to force these thoughts. It will suddenly come upon you. It may take 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or longer. But as you stay still, focus on your Creator with an expectation to hear. Remember to note what immediately drops in your heart and write it down. The third type of meditation is visualization meditation. This is a meditation to create a reality. Do you want your business to flourish? Do you want to walk in prosperity? Do you want to get more positive results than negative ones? This is how this meditation will help you. Close your eyes and begin to think about your business flourishing. See yourself in health, divine provision, settled family disputes, and improved life. See what you want to become, and life will begin to drive you in that direction. What you are doing is this. You are engaging your imagination. Then begin saying meditative prayers like this. All lines are falling to me in pleasant places. The Lord is my provider. I shall not lack. My years are full of plenty. My life is aligning with productivity. You keep doing this every day. Suddenly, events will begin to happen that force your life to align with your thoughts and confession. You are creating a reality. You cannot see the manifestation outside if you don't see it inside you. We don't fix our eyes on what is seen, but on what is unseen, since what is seen is temporal, and what is unseen is eternal. Some people condemn this revelation because they do not understand the power of thoughts and words. There are countless stories of people who once imagined themselves doing exactly what they are doing today. For example, before the creation of a plane, someone imagined a flying object. And before creating a car, someone imagined a moving object on 4 wheels. Civilization is the product of imaginative power. All objects you see and use today are the product of visualization. Unknown to most of these inventors, they were utilizing visualization meditation. Now that you know this, you can consciously make anything happen. The odds will not always be against you. You can turn adverse events into positive results that you and your generation can enjoy. Visualization causes the supernatural to magnet the resources you need to bring those thoughts to pass. Suddenly, you will begin to meet the right people and be in the right place at the right time. You will notice how all things, good and bad, work for your good. Strange happenings and unusual favors will begin to follow you. I know this because this is precisely how my life is. In due course, I will share my spiritual journey and how what I am telling you today shockingly transformed my life. Please tell me in the comments section what stood out to you in this video. I would love to read your own spiritual experience in the comments section. Please remember to like this video, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you are always notified when I post a new teaching on this platform. Thank you very much. God bless you.